Hi guys, welcome back to the Litefinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss the introduction to range bar trading. So we are going to check what's going on when it comes to the range bar, as well as how to apply the range bar charts into the Mt4. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Who is behind the range bar trading? Well, based on Investopedia, as you can see over here, Nicolelis range bars were developed in the mid-90s by Vicente Nicolelis. He was a Brazilian, he is the Brazilian trader and the broker who spent over a decade running a trading desk in São Paulo. The local markets at the time were very volatile, and Nicolelis became interested in developing a way to use the volatility to his advantage. He believed the price movement was paramount to understanding and of course making profits from volatility. So Nicolelis developed the idea of range bars, which consider only price, thereby eliminating time from the equation. So the range bars charts is a different way to view what is going on when it comes to the market. Range bars are type of the charting method that displays price action based on predefined price ranges, something you can see here. As you may already discover, all the candles are equal when it comes to the range, right? So this technique filters out, or it's supposed to filter out, the noise caused by roaring market volatility, providing traders with the clearer view of the price movements. Well, there are going to be the pros and cons, of course, as everywhere, but that might be some kind of the solution for those who are struggling with the charts, with the time-based charts. All right. So that could be very interesting approach. In volatile markets, many bars will print on a range bar chart, but range bars will be fewer in a slow market. So as you can see here, looks like the market was in a strong move to the downside, as we've seen only the red bars, compared to some kind of the consolidation we've seen before. Okay, so that's it when it comes to the definition of what range bars are. Let's have a look how we can apply the range bars to Mt4 platform. As we know, there is no range bar option to choose when it comes to the Mt4. We do have the regular bars, we do have the candles, we do have a line chart. All right, so first thing first, we have to find very reliable source to get the Mt4 script for the range bars. And if you pretend to be the trader, you have to be smart enough to find this type of the source. It could be the paid version, it could be some community version for free, based on and possible to find on the within the Forex community, within the Forex forums. But here is the very important disclaimer: be aware of what you are doing. It's very easy to be scammed or to be hacked. So be sure that you found the reliable or very reliable source. And once you did it, you have to put the range bar script, okay, into the Mt4 script folder. Then it's going to be available within the script folder. And now what is important, we have to be sure, we have to ensure that once we want to apply the range bar script, we have to be on the M1 chart, so 1 minute chart, right? That's very important. Once we are there, we can start to attempt to apply range bar into the chart, into the 1 minute chart. I already have it, so I got the question if I want to stop the previous one and I want to apply the new one. Yes. Now once we have it, we can choose the parameters. That's something we are going to discuss within the next video. The first thing first is what kind of the range you wanna have. Let's place, in case of this example, let's place 8 bars range. Now the time frame is how we are going to find the chart. Alright, so let's place here 3 and I'm going to show you within the second what I'm talking about. Also, we have to make the possible the import of DLL, so that's the case here, and we are clicking OK. Once we did it, we are going to the file. The second line is open offline, and we are going to look for our USD Swiss franc chart. All right, and we know that we are looking for the time frame M3, all right, because we choose in the second line 3, and then double click and voila, we have our range bar chart working. I do prefer the candles, so there we go. I already have my own predefined the way I wanna see it. Let's remove the Bollinger Band, and there you go. The full range bar chart is here, right? So that's how we do it. That's how it's supposed to work. With the next video, we are going to discuss the possible trading strategies with range bars. With that being said, I wish you a great next trading session. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave the comment below. See you around. Take care and goodbye.